Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Steam too many login failure error. So there's a few things you can do. First up, you want to head over to settings and then go to network and internet and then go to VPN and then you want to add a VPN. You could download any VPN from Chrome, any free VPN like Super VPN, Proton VPN, and see if that fixes your issue. If that doesn't fix your issue, then the next thing you can do is network and internet, and then go to advanced network settings, and then network reset, and then click on reset now to reset your network and restart your computer to check if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, next up what you can do is head over to Google, click on these three dots, click on delete browsing data, make sure all three are selected, and then you could also not do browsing history. So if I click on delete data, then your cache will be cleared. After this, if that still doesn't work, next thing you can try is turning off your Ethernet or Wi-Fi and then try to log into Steam, and it's gonna ask you to enter offline mode. You want to select enter offline mode, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.